The present is theirs. The future, for which I really worked, is mine. Of all things, I liked books best. The day science begins to study non-physical phenomena, it will make more progress in 1 decade than in all the previous centuries of its existence. Let the future tell the truth and evaluate each one according to his work and accomplishments. The present is theirs. The future, for which I really worked, is mine. The desire that guides me in all I do is the desire to harness the forces of nature to the service of mankind. The scientists of today think deeply instead of clearly. One must be sane to think clearly, but one can think deeply and be quite insane. The progressive development of man is vitally dependent on invention. If your hate could be turned into electricity, it would light up the whole world. The gift of mental power comes from God, divine being, and if we concentrate our minds on that truth, we become in tune with this great power. Our virtues and our failings are inseparable, like force and matter. When they separate, man is no more. Instinct is something which transcends knowledge. One must be sane to think clearly, but one can think deeply and be quite insane. The individual is ephemeral. Races and nations come and pass away, but man remains. The day science begins to study non-physical phenomena, it will make more progress in 1 decade than in all the previous centuries of its existence. Money does not represent such a value as men have placed upon it. All my money has been invested into experiments with which I have made new discoveries enabling mankind to have a little easier life. If you want to find the secrets of the universe, think in terms of energy, frequency, and vibration. My brain is only a receiver. In the universe there is a core from which we obtain knowledge, strength, and inspiration. I have not penetrated into the secrets of this core, but I know that it exists. Life is and will ever remain an equation incapable of solution, but it contains certain known factors. Invention is the most important product of man's creative brain. The ultimate purpose is the complete mastery of mind over the material world, the harnessing of human nature to human needs.